guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So as you guys know that the summers are back and we need to take care of our skins a little extra during summers. Skins tend to get a little more affected because of the sun rays and because of the pollution. And so I'm going to tell you 5 essential skincare products that you need to have this summer season. And without wasting any more time, let's get started. Guys, during summer season, it is really important to scrub your face and then apply a good mask on it, because the dead skins gets on accumulating during the summertime more because of the sweat and because of the ultraviolet rays. And that's why scrubbing is very important. So the first thing I'm going to use today is from Plum, the chamomile and white tea scrub, and we are going to use it right now. This is the Brighten Up face scrub that we are going to use, and as I've heard, it is super amazing. So I'm just going to take a little bit of it. Just going to apply it all over my face and scrub for 4 to 5 minutes. So guys, I am done with my scrub, and as you guys can see that my skin is already looking all bright and glowy. Now is the time of my chamomile and white tea face mask, and this is also from Plum, this one. I'm going to keep this mask for at least 7 to 8 minutes, and only then I'm going to remove it. Guys, this mask is so nice. I can smell it right now, and I'm telling you, it smells great. The consistency is very good, and I've used this mask before and it will actually show you good results. So I won't be talking anymore because I want this mask to settle down quickly. So yeah, now guys, it has been 8-9 minutes and I am removing my face mask. And so guys, just like the face mask that I applied on my face, there is one of the face packs that I absolutely love, and it is from Tijori. It is this one. It is called the Natural Glowy Rose and Hibiscus Face Pack, and it is in powdered form, and you have to take some of it and then add rose water to it and mix it well and then apply it on your face. This face pack from Tijori will not only give you a radiant skin but also help in the elasticity of your face, and I would recommend it, so do try it out. The next thing I'm going to talk about is my favorite skincare essential of all the season and especially for summers, and it is the face mask. This face mask from the Face Shop is super amazing. It keeps your skin hydrated, and it will not only give you a radiant skin, but guys, it also will help in tightening your pores, and I always recommend this face mask. This smells so nice, I can't tell you. I'm going to get back to you guys in 20 minutes now. Guys, one of the most important skincare products that is very important during summers is your sunscreen. And I am one person who never leaves my house without a sunscreen, and especially during summer season, because your skin tends to become real bad because of the UV rays. Sunscreen is a must, and what better sunscreen than from Lotus Essentials. Lotus Herbals Sun Safe Sunscreen SPF 100+. Now usually I use SPF 70 or 60, but this one is the need of the hour, because as we all know that scorching heat in the summer season, especially during the months of June and July, gets to our face too much. So for that, SPF 100+ is required. So guys, you should never go out without a sunscreen, and this is really important, and this is one of the best products. So yeah guys, I really hope that you like this video, and for more skincare and makeup tips, follow Foxy.